Rocky Road is one of those delicious, nostalgic treats that I love to make at Christmas, Easter, or if I happen to have all of these ingredients in the pantry. And usually it's done with milk chocolate or dark chocolate, but I'm going to show you a blonde version using white chocolate. Now, I've just been melting about 500 grams of white chocolate. I like to do it in a bowl over a bain-marie just for extra assurance, particularly when it comes to white chocolate, so it doesn't seize. So we don't want this to be touching the water. We just want the water to be gently simmering. And little by little, we allow that to melt. So that's looking good. To this, I'm going to add some coconut oil. And we're just going to mix that in. And the coconut oil is just going to ensure that it gets a lovely sheen and sets nicely in the fridge. So we're just going to melt that in. And then Rocky Road is as simple as putting everything together. And I think it's just so popular, number one, because of its texture. It's all about the crunch. And the crunch comes from biscuits, nuts. I'm using Australian macadamia nuts and also meringues. So we'll crush in our meringues just with your hands. No need to chop these. And I like little chunks and big chunks. And a Rocky Road is not a Rocky Road without marshmallows. And I like to use these little ones. I've got pink and white. Some biscuits, I've just got some plain butter biscuits. Just use a knife just to roughly chop these ones. Okay, that can go in. And my secret ingredient is salted roasted macadamia nuts. These are addictive, particularly just to snack on. But when you add the salted macadamias to a Rocky Road like this, number one, you're going to get the crunch, but the saltiness really takes it up a notch and it almost accentuates the lovely sweetness of the other ingredients in there. So roughly chopping it, just like that. I'm going to add about 3/4 of these nuts, and then the rest I'm going to garnish the top of it, just so we can see that it's a macadamia Rocky Road. Let's mix everything together, really coating it. The hardest part of this is not eating it yet, waiting for it to set. So I'm going to place this into a lined dish. Spread it out so it's even. You don't want to leave any gaps because we want to cut into it later on. We want it to be quite dense. Final garnish, glacé cherries, just for it to really pop. You see how festive this looks. Scatter them around evenly. Some extra coconut over the top. And finally, our salted roasted macadamia nuts. Sprinkle them over the top. And now this goes into the fridge. It's going to chill for a couple of hours or until it's set. Rocky Road is out of the fridge. Looks so pretty. I love these colours together. So let's cut a little piece of this. Listen to the sound of that. And we'll just cut it into small little bits. And I think this one has my name all over it. Look at the chunks of biscuits, marshmallows, and those beautiful roasted, salted macadamias. Never get tired of this treat. So good.